Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Youth, unstoppable, run away train.
Why is it that this hospital always popping up on the radar? And it's always in a negative light. Not once, not twice, but several times. I personally have seen on social media where persons come out bashing this hospital, saying something happened to either them pitney, or another family member. Why? Is it that this hospital need to go under a microscope and investigate it to see what really are going on at the hospital? Because no man, it can't be that bad that so much people are come out against them. Something have to be up. So viewers, this lady me about for showing right now, she is crying out because of what happened to her baby. And people, it is really a sad situation for watch. And this is not an isolated incident, because I personally know of another mother who have a similar experience with this hospital as well. And it has been an ongoing issue for years, because she had tried to get some legal justifications for what them do to her pitney. Now viewers, check out the video here, but be warned, it's not an easy one to watch.
Put this video out for you see too, because you know a lot of go on in the man of hospital. Man of hospital live locked down. Locked down with them families, and they are dead. And they are dead. And the man of hospital will see me. Make me dead, don't carry me down there. It's painful, it's hard, it's rough. See me. I'm so 3-year-old. And all of them know what I go on, man. But they know. They know. And they know it's their fault. And they never ask me to say, oh, the baby, how you do? It's only when they see my road they ask, is this Daniel? The child when them left for dead. When them tell me say brain I bleed because all of what them do to him. Me remember me in a hospital when a nurse said like that Thompson said me no want to carry home the baby. Nurse, I wonder if you have child. You can tell me say me no want to carry home my baby. I didn't understand nothing about this. I was taking time to figure out what me I gonna do, how me I gonna deal with it. Then push tube down my baby throat, not even find out if the baby can suck. They don't even find out if the baby can take nip or take breast. They just shove the tube down the baby throat. And when the baby a collapse for the tube, we go to one of the nurse. And when we go to her, she said to me, say, no, the baby, me said, nurse, can you see the tube where it lands on in the baby belly? And so they feed the tube. She said no, because they don't do an X-ray to see if the tube alright in the baby belly, because the baby a choke by the tube. She said nothing is wrong, nothing is wrong. I said there's something is wrong with the baby. That was the first time they ever hear me talking about the hospital. Because they think that we couldn't talk. But they say when you're having a lion mouth, you have to take time to dry you out. And when we said I'm going to finish him off, I talk. I said, I thought I don't do him so. I don't know. I don't plan to kill him off now. That's why she called the doctor. And the doctor told her said to pull the tube out of the baby throat. The doctor started to question her. She was saying, nothing is wrong. I said, doctor, feed the baby, and the baby a choke on the tube. The baby fell dumpy when he took the tube off, and they took off the tube off of the baby. It was a difference. The doctor told him to take off the tube. People, I truly don't know what through. I truly don't know if it's still I got through. They say, I will face it, was it? And sometimes you tell people your problem, but they don't even understand because they never have been there. It is not easy. It is not nice to know you carry a good baby. And all they can give you back is pain and sorrow. My heart pain me every day. I try to work like an alcoholic. Me even at the house sometimes my husband say, sit down. I don't know. But the moment me sit down is the moment everything come back to me. I work like donkey. I try to find everything to do just to take it off of me. I'm tired. Mandeville Hospital, Mandeville Madhouse, because it's not a hospital, it's a shitty Madhouse, a car hospital, a bus Madhouse. When people ask me what me a baby, I say don't have Mandeville Madhouse. Mandeville Madhouse me a baby, because they couldn't go out a place and send several people there, and then do you so. They treat you like you're a human being. And when their friend come in, they treat them very nice. Mandeville. This is what you give me. Here, sorrow. You left me family them with sorrow. Because every day them cry. Every day they look at me. Especially my daughter. And say to me, say, Mommy, Daddy, I'm alright. Mommy, tell me the listen. Listen to me, man. I left with God. I will continue. I'm tired now. But Mandeville, this is what happened in Mandeville, and I'm tired now. I will continue. Thanks to Carrie Ann. Thanks to Irving, mother. People, to help me pray. To help me pray. Let me call the family. Let me send out some text to pray people. And I send out the text. And everybody start to pray, and I start to pray. And long after Dr. Thompson, that the man one came in, and when he came in, he said, Miss Nixon, there is good news and there is bad news. I said, Doctor, give me the bad news first. And he said to me that the baby, they have to bag him for oxygen because he wasn't breathing, and it can cause brain damage, and it can cause all different type of things. I don't even know what somebody named them when he called them, and believe you. And while I was there, I said to him, he said, Doctor, he was even telling me that he doesn't have to know Muslim. And I said, God is here, man. I said to him, he said, the blood of Jesus, because I know that my God, that I serve, he will let him live. And he said he had to bring him to the emergency room. I don't know nothing about Mandeville Hospital. It's the first time I ever been to Mandeville Hospital. I heard all of the bad things that happened in Mandeville Hospital. So, in the first place, if I ever say, and I went to Spalding and they sent me down there. And if I ever say them send me down there, I go to Mandeville Hospital. Because Mandeville Hospital is a mad house. A dead house. All they do is kill and destroy people's life. That's all they do. I went for me little bungalow and I get back. It's pure heartache, it's pure pain, it's pure sorrow. I've been going to this, through this 2.5 years. Every time I went to Mandeville for check up on the baby, I break down. I see the same nurse, he passed me, I look at me like some little dirty clot. That's how they cheat you. And even though they cheat you, the way they see what happened there, they treat you like shit. They don't try to say encourage you. All they do, I remember the baby in intensive care one at a time. And this nurse, she claims she's the head of the intensive care. The head nurse. So she knew herself if she see this video. And I remember she was saying that she was suctioning the baby. And when she said she had suctioned the baby, the way she had behave with this on the baby throat, I turned to her and I said, Miss, that no hot. She was like, Him a feel nothing. You see him a feel nothing, nurse. The baby have feeling. Him not dead, him never dead. Why you damage his throat? Why you damage why you been damaged? The baby not talk. He not creep. He not walk. They say brain damage. They say a cerebral palsy. Every day them choke him in his spine. Every day them draw water for his spine. Them bending, them twisting now. Them claims they have scoliosis, which to me and damage the baby's spine. I went in the hospital with 2 ultrasound. And the 2 ultrasound was okay. Everything was alright with the 2 ultrasound. Man, if you left me in pain. I can't even tell the whole of my story right now. I will continue further because right now my head is killing me. My head a buzz. I watch scary.
Me can't even begin to imagine how the mother they feel. Because even if me say me understand who that tell lie, because I could never understand what a mother feels when it comes to her pitney. Trust me when me tell you that. Listen me, viewers, me not even have too much more to say about this. Start me down in the comment section here, man.
Right now you know we unstoppable.